Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Genshin Impact download stuck on Chinese servers. To inform you, there are two main versions of the Genshin Impact game client, the Chinese client and the global client. They are distinct and connect to different sets of servers. If you have downloaded the Chinese client by mistake, you'll be stuck trying to connect to those servers. The Hoyo Play launcher or the older MiHoYo launcher can sometimes get confused. A common fix is to ensure you have the correct global version of the launcher installed. Even with the right client, your internet connection might be routing you incorrectly or experiencing problems that cause the download to stall. To resolve this, you have to completely uninstall the game, then go to Hoyo Global and download the global version. After downloading, right-click on the Genshin Impact Launcher and select Run as Administrator.